Dear students, we are going to start the discussion on fourth unit, that is strategic analysis and choice. In the previous three units, first unit we have discussed about strategic planning process. The second unit we have discussed about environmental scanning, both external environment and internal environment. And third unit we have discussed various levels of strategies. The fourth unit we are going to discuss about strategic analysis and choice. Strategic analysis, we have discussed various types of strategies. Okay, based on external analysis and internal analysis, the output of external and internal analysis will give you lot of objective information. Okay, based on this objective information, we have to evaluate all the available strategies and select the appropriate strategy at a given situation for a given business or the organizations. This process is called as a strategic analysis and choice. So this is the process of strategic management process. The first step is vision, mission statements, then external analysis and internal analysis. Okay, and that gives a lot of informations. Okay, based on this information we can develop several alternative strategies at corporate level, business level and functional level. But which strategy has to be adopted, okay, that has to be decided. That is the part of strategic analysis and choice. Okay, so there are various techniques and models are available to identify the suitable strategy or the action or the decision based on the objective information obtained from the previous steps. So the selected strategy will be implemented in the organization to improve the performance or to achieve the goals. Strategic analysis and choice is the process of making subjective decisions. Subjective decision is which strategy or which action is going to be taken in order to achieve the organizational objectives, okay, based on the objective information obtained from environmental scanning. So a lot of informations from external and internal environment. Using those informations, the available strategies will be analyzed, alternatives will be analyzed, and the decisions will be made. Okay, the strategic analysis and choice include this, mainly these three steps. Generate feasible alternatives for a given situation, business situation. Generate feasible alternative. What are all the alternative strategies or action plans are possible? Second, evaluate each and every alternative, okay, using various methods and techniques, and select the specific course of action or selecting the specific strategy, then implement the strategy, achieve the objective. Okay, so this is the process of strategic analysis and choice, and we are going to discuss about various techniques, methodologies and approaches for analyzing the strategies and making a particular choice. Okay, thank you.